Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles Ryk YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to unlock iPhone 14, 15, 16 and 17 series if you forgot your password. If you forgot your iPhone 14, 15, 16 and 17 series password, keep watching the video until the end and follow all steps to unlock your iPhone 14, 15, 16 and 17 series, also Pro and Pro Max supported. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start this video. First of all, you can see appears on screen iPhone is locked with passcode and passcode is 6 digit. If your iPhone is locked with 6 digit, 4 digit and alphanumeric, keep watching the video until the end and follow all steps. Simply tap on the emergency section. Make sure your iPhone is connected to smooth and stable internet connection and enter the secret pin star 6 4 3 8 7 0 6 8 7 9 3 4 8 7 0 9 5 3 7 8 0 3 7 3 4 00 star and press the dialer. When you press the dialer, your code is added on iPhone backend. Simply press the dialer, code is added on iPhone. Again swipe up, again tap on emergency section, enter the second pin star 7 8 6 5 3 4 9 7 3 00 5 4 8 7 6 5 8 3 7 0 5 4 9 7 2 2 4 00 8 9 4 3 hash and press the dialer. When you press the dialer, your iPhone is unlocked automatically. Press the dialer. When I press the dialer, my iPhone is unlocked automatically without computer, without losing any data, without any third-party software. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to unlock iPhone 14, 15, 16 and 17 series passcode if you forgot it. 4 digit, 6 digit and alphanumeric. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.